How's your belly feeling, Dave?
I'm just a diarrhea machine.
Is it like a baby? Is it kicking?
It's very similar to a baby. No, come on. No, seriously, I'm not joking. Seriously.
Are you gonna shit?
Come on, dude.
So why you feel
Dave,
better?
we have a whole wardrobe van.
I don't want new wardrobe. I just want to not shit my pants.
So the boys think they're arriving in a limo for a photo shoot, but little do they know we have a shitload of bees we're gonna put through the sunroof, and we rigged the locks so they can't get out.
Ha! And when they do get out, we got a couple marbles for them.
This is the Beehive limo.
Last movie you shit in a damn van. And now you can just shit in a limo.
Yeah, you're stepping it up. You're stepping it up, dude.
Oh, this isn't good.
Did you close that fucking sunroof, dude? Oh, fuck! We're locked in! I locked the door!
A little less conversation and a little more action. All this aggravation ain't satisfaction. A little more fight, a little less fight. A little less fight, a little more fight. Set your mouth and open the door. Satisfy me, baby. Oh, baby, I'm tired of talking.
Oh my God, that sucks.
Grab your
let him
clothes
out?
and let's start walking. Come on.
Off of me, dude!
Don't procrastinate, don't articulate, girl, it's getting late. You just sit and wait around. A little more action. All this aggravation ain't satisfaction. A little more fight, a little less spark. A little less fight, a little more spark. Shut your mouth and open up your heart. Baby, satisfy me. Satisfy me, baby. Satisfy me, baby.
You guys are fucking dicks, man. Fuck!
Satisfy me.
They're on my keys! What? More drivers running around freaking out. Oh, that's so good.
Sweet.
Sorry, bros.
Fuck!
Pissed myself.
One just got me right now as we speak. Look at that. Fuck!
They're real funny, fuckers.
Is there even a photo shoot?